All right, we are out here at a gated community, and I'm strangely taking this opportunity to tell you about how much I love air compressors. Look how nasty this thing is. Look at the cracks here. There's not even a switch here. There's like rust all over this thing. To say this California Air Tools air compressor has taken a beating is like saying the New York Yankees are okay at baseball. I don't know, that was a horrible, horrible metaphor. But I love an air compressor in the field. There's just no two ways about it. When you can blow things around a car, you have superpowers. So I'm just getting into this vehicle here. What can I do? Well, let's see. This is my initial pass through, you know, I haven't done anything yet. I'm able to like assess the situation. I would usually open that door as well, but compressed air just allows you to get stuff moving. So you know, okay, what's gonna stay in this vehicle? What do I need to actually clean and what do I just need to remove? So you can put the Tornador on this thing. Oh my gosh, the possibilities truly are endless. And this is how unsafe and stupid my whole setup is. I don't even have an off switch. You guys know better than I do that this is the worst setup in human history, but it works. And when it's not cold out, my air compressor will actually work. So I'm just grateful for this amazing weather. I think that this air compressor, California Air Tools, supposedly ultra quiet, pretty damn tough, not without its issues, but it's 90 pounds. I literally roll it to the back of my truck here and I stuff it in here. Sorry, I had a 4-hour round trip yesterday. Everything is a mess, but the customers are always pleased. So that's what I'm trying to do, is deliver for customers. If you're mobile, folks, tell me if you use one of these, because I'm a big fan of this, and I need to treat my equipment better. That's a fact. What's up, you guys? I am zonked. Got a lot of sun today. Let me show you what's going on out here. I just had to take a quick little lunch break. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look how glossy that is. This air compressor's been amazing. It's blown off all kinds of things. From floor mats, which you can see this one drying here, to all kinds of nooks and crannies inside of the car. I did a quick one-step polish, which I'm kind of starting to fall in love with, like a little gloss enhancement polish. Look at the vinyl wrap though. Oh, there's just nothing that can be done. I don't know what to tell the customer other than to get it removed, but I tried to make it look good. But you know, the interior, I did some stoner trim shine after I air compressor like blasted this out, so those vents all look really nice. I'm kind of proud of this one. Yeah, I just did like a quick one step with the Optimum Hyper Polish and an orange waffle pad, because I had them sitting around, so I just like throw it on the Zen tool, which I had kind of hated on for a while, but the Rupes, you know, are so dependent on technique as far as the backing plate actually spinning, and this backing plate spins all day, and I just do like very little pressure. I'm just trying to learn to let the product cycle through and do the work, and I'm not expecting perfection, but I did like Optimum Hyper Polish on the orange pad, and then Valor from American Detailer Garage, because all these products are good. You know, it's like, what's the best spray sealant? Well, true shine and gloss, as Scott from Dallas Paint Correction says, comes from refining the paint, you know? And so a lot of this stuff is an amazing last step product, but it's the Valor, which I don't normally use, looks great on here, and that's because we polished the paint. So kind of a cool vehicle. I don't think I've ever detailed one of these before. But I'm gonna put some tire shine on these bad boys, and then I'm gonna clean everything up. But yeah, it was great. I used the hose to wash these off, and then I have to dry that off, or rub that off. Use the hose to wash these, and the air compressor to kind of blow them dry, and That one just been sitting on the ground, so it got dirty. But got some American Detailer Garage Wipeout. It's kind of my all-purpose like degreaser because it's cheaper than the other stuff out there, like F-Bomb. There's Valor. I'm almost running out of this stuff. I'm deciding on whether I'll buy more. Some VRP, which I need to do my tires now. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. I'm happy to have the air compressor back in my life.